here will interest you. You can see here the title, what they put here. They said troops eliminate IPOB/ESN commander in Imo State. A square to the capture of the notorious stronghold of the IPOB-ESN. Okay, at Mother Valley, the criminal elements have been making effort to establish other camps in the general area and other places. Troops of the Joint Task Force Operation Udoka, based on reliable intel, had on 6 May 2024 cleared the general area of Oda, okay, Ihitukwa, and Osumo in Osu local government area of Imo State. During the special clearance operation, troops came in contact with the terrorists who expectedly employed impulsive explosive device IEDs to stop the advancing troops. However, the gallant joint troops with superior firepower, okay, forced the criminals to withdraw in Israel. Okay, in the encounter, four of the irregularities were neutralized and others escaped with gunshot wounds. Okay, one of the IPOB-ESN commander, Tochukwu, aka Ojoto, in charge of Itokwa command, despite many charms on his body, was neutralized. Items recovered from the hideouts include one AK-47 rifle with two magazines, 2 automatic pump actions guns, 3 handle buffle radius. I think that is their explosive device, 1 laptop, and 1 technophone. Okay, technophone. Others are car keys. Okay, substance suspected to be marijuana, Biafran currencies. I got it. Content of 5 IEDs, making materials, batteries used in the detonation of the IEDs and assorted charms. The Force Commander Joint Task Force Operation Udoka, Major General Hassan Dada, wishes to assure all citizens of the Joint Task Force commitment to ensure peace and stability in the region. The general public are enjoyed to continue providing timely, reliable, and credible information. Toll-free line. Okay, I think this is the toll-free line they called something like that, 193 and 1, and press option 2 to speak directly to the representative. Now they ended up by putting this some items here. Yes, you can see here, and this compassion and all that. Okay, this is what they said. Let us see if we can go to comment section. All right. Fine. Here, PM responded, and that is the first comment we can see here. He put this comment here. He said, "The terrorist Nigerian army, we don't have IPOB-ESN in that location. What we have is Biafran Liberation Army with heavy firepower, not AK-47. We don't have any commander called Tochukwu. Those giving information to be used for propaganda are definitely deceiving you. The BLA and all commanders are intact. You cannot win this battle. You cannot win this Biafra war the second time, and you cannot win this war with propaganda. And you can no longer force the unity of Nigeria with the barrier of gun. Those machineries from Senegal, how are they coping? Hope they have more body bags." That's what PM said. Okay, this information, one thing I like about the whole thing is that they decided to jump into propaganda, and that propaganda did not sell very, very well. As you can see, it did not sell very, very well. Otherwise, why is it that PM knows their secret, and whenever they want to come up with this kind of propaganda, it always backfire, always backfire. Another person said, "I am not doubting this news, but IPOB ESN know they finish. Can we at least I think what you want to see the picture of the neutralized commander in case we mistakenly see his look alike on the streets of Osun again." Samuel Ekpa, is this true? This is a Balogu Joseph. This one is one of the what is it called? Oduduwa politician. Okay, let me greet people before we continue. Armstrong said, "Hello, I see you, my brother. Ellen is here. Good, God bless you and your family for your good work. Thumbs up and share the gospel. Girl is here. Biafra first. Please share and thumbs up." So we are here to go through this information. It's very, very important because the propaganda is too much. Photo, no be juju be that. Say photos. Many people are doubting, what this propaganda. Wonderful. Nigeria must show zero tolerance for terrorists. Somebody that you are showing zero tolerance for terrorists, and you are responding to somebody that's, oh my goodness, that have been recruiting terrorists in their camp. Which department of Nollywood gave you all these all these costumes? You must be joking. If you mean ESN uses these items, you're joking. If you mean that yes, and you use this item, you are joking. I say, which Nollywood custom give you this? Every criminal you see, you call them IPOB so that they will think you are doing something. Oga can never enter Biafra liberation camp. You go collect, of course, you know how far. Ha ha ha, Nigerian army. I was thinking that you are bigger than this. Never know you are just same. So you can see how people are reacting to this. The comment response from PM Simon Ekpa has more like than the main post that tells you everything the people believe in. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Okay, this is PM. Like it's 1.1 here, and Nigerian Post is what? Love is 14. My goodness, what a shame. And against 21K on post. Just comment that he made on the platform, and these people have how many? Oh my goodness. Okay, so the propaganda can never stop just like that. It is very, very easy to know because they have a lot of things to explain. Some people say you can explain entire. The thing is very, very funny. Anyway. It's very, very funny. Everybody knows what is going on, and the agenda of the Nigerian security force is to make it look like they're in control of everything. But no, they are not. They are not. Is it one thing I don't? One thing that in fact, I would like to, if I can have this kind of answer, if I can get an answer. You understand? Why is it that whenever you post that you conquer this, you do this, people don't believe you? Why is it that? Because if actually you buy somebody, like normally, you remember when they buy a console? When they buy a console, many of them, they were sharing the photo, sending the picture from some people that are even one Nigerians, felt bad the way they share the photo. Kind of they celebrated his death. So it makes some people feel that Nigerian government in fact, they've developed that kind of hate on Nigeria, even though they want one Nigeria, because any decent country will not do that. You don't just bring picture of somebody that you just buy like that and start sharing it. Doing so, you are telling people that you don't have respect for for the dead. You don't have respect for the dead, and anything you want to say, you always want to cover it up with okay, he deserve it. He deserve it. Just like what Ikenga was telling Darlington, that he contributed in his death. You understand? Somebody inside is truly feeding this security agency, Nigerian Army, some information that doesn't add up. It doesn't add up at all. There is no way you can tell me that it adds up, because even if you want to lie about what is going on. Maybe you want to do propaganda. You do it professionally. You don't just something that everybody can see, everybody know. You want to tell people that that is not how it is. This is Ikenga bragging on how they share information. Not just share information. He indicted what is the name of this guy, Darlington. That Darlington knows about what happened to Ikonso. And when PM said, if you pay attention to the post that PM made, he said that the people that giving you information, that they are deceiving you, and they're making them look like a fool. Because everything you are saying, how can you buy people like that? That we know. Of course, you show the picture, just like you did when the time of your concert. You show the picture.
To lie, may you never live to see. Did not tell me that. May I not live to see tomorrow. But if you tell me that, and you come online to lie, may you never live to see the next day. I ask you, Prince, what's your business with these women? Can you open up and tell us your deal with these American women? Prince, you confidently told me that if you opened mouth to say it, it will affect Mazen Nandekano's. Prince, were you not the one that told me what Mazen Nandekano's mother did to Mazen Nandekano's wife? Prince, were you not the same person that told me how wayward princess, master prophet's wife, has kids? Are you not the one that told me everything about?
Just hold on. I don't know why he's hanging. I'm trying to see. I'm trying to see if you can play, can flow, but I don't know why he's having an issue. I don't know why he's having an issue.
Mazen Nandekano's family. Now, master prophet's wife, she's are you not the one that told me everything about Mazen Nandekano's family? Now, let me hit it. Prince, you came online and you have the guts to tell people that you are taking care of Ikonso's children. Which Ikonso's children? Ikonso that you contributed to his death. Prince,
did you hear that?
Get the women that started calling Ikonso and start decorating Ikonso with gifts that makes Ikonso feel that he's now untouchable. Who gave those women Ikonso's number? I am asking you, Prince. Who gave Ikonso, these women in America, Ikonso's number? Prince, who told me which girl is with Ikonso when this thing happened?
Okay, meaning that Ikonso was with a girl when this thing happened. You see, most of the confession of these people is very, very, very clear that the word is why from inside. From inside. why I play this video is for you to know, the reason why PM replied that made that comment, that whoever that is feeding you information is deceiving you. Truly, somebody is feeding them information, but this time around, the information is always wrong because they are no longer inside the family. They are not. So sabotaging from outside is one of the most useless things to do. Anyway, let us move to Commander Holy Ghost.
Massacre of the innocent to continue. We can't allow it.
Dan, I say you good. Dan, I greet you. After the best, I greet you guys. Thank you.
The United Nations on notice, the EU, British government, the US government, that wherever the Nigerian army goes in again to massacre innocent people, we are going to retaliate. We will retaliate. Obi will be the last time any sitting governor anywhere will give the order for innocent people to be killed. Should that happen again, that governor will die. I am saying it, so you cut out this very clip and send it to the ICC, so they can have it there with them. And all these criminals, all these murderers, we shall make them there. Should the day arise, you cannot talk about killing some people and expect them to do nothing. It's impossible. Absolutely impossible. It cannot happen. We have come to die for what we believe in. We have come that we may be free. The zoo called Nigeria was created by a white man, not an African. Named by a white woman, not a black African woman. It has no right to exist. And anybody that kills in the name of Nigeria will be held responsible by us. Because it seems that the ICC doesn't want to do anything. It seems that all the courts of the world are silent as innocent people, men, women, and children are being slaughtered on a daily basis in Nigeria. We can't allow that to continue. Not now, not tomorrow, not ever. This very Eastern Security Network is not, and I repeat, is not the army of Biafra. When the time comes for us to raise the army of Biafra, we should announce it to the whole world. It is merely a vigilante group, the same way you have Amotekun and Mieti Allah's national vigilante in Nigeria. That is why we must all be very, very measured in how we approach the issues that confront us at this very critical time of our history.
Since I'm come this very afternoon to relate to you,
Before Commander Holy Ghost continue, there's what PM said before.
Be cautious.
When they
tell you that they're still doing.
Oh, come on. Okay. When they were forcing themselves, oh, I'm in control of ESN. Oh, PM, he don't have anything. He don't have anybody. We have men on the ground. We have men on ground. We are this, we are that. They were doing that while buying them one by one. Then PM noticed what is going on based on this information that PM have, because he's very, very close to Mazin Namadikan in terms of what is happening, what is going on about the agitation and everything. And Mazin Namadikan always know once you are, that's what I observed. Once you are close to him, once you are talking to him, he always, he have that kind of gift to know your ability to. He can dictate what you can do. That is why he always, allow PM, or he gave PM more tax than those that have been following him before. You understand? But they don't want to admit it, but that is just a fact. That is just the truth. PM knows a lot. He formed this Biafran Liberation Army, and those guys are still until now. They are still telling you that that ESN, and they're waiting for Mazen Namorkan to come out and start forming the army again for them, our people. So you can see that PM is right. Forming Biafran Liberation Army has been confirmed by Mazen Namorkan. That's what he said here. That ESN is not Biafran Liberation, is not Biafran Liberation Army. That the army will come later. The day they will form the army, it will be announced. But these people don't want to. They keep on telling you no. But let me allow Commander Holy Ghost to continue. Let's listen.
The recruitment of ESM. ESM are no longer existing.
They don't want that.
ESM that 9jeria and 9jeria, known as DOS, were used and are still using it to deceive the innocent youth of Biafrans. I want you to know that the errands of ESN are far gone, as the voice you hear was stated very clearly that when time comes for army of Biafra, you will be let known. And that was exactly what the great Prime Minister Simon Ekpa does. He formed the army of Biafra to withstand these deadly terrorists that have keep on trooping into the land of Biafra to kill the children of Biafra. Knowing fully well that ESM was not created to withstand the army, ESM was abolished, and Biafran soldier, Biafran Air Force, and Biafran Navy was formed because it was necessary, and it is necessary to defend our motherland. And that is the reason I'm here to tell you that anybody that is telling you that ESM exists is lying to you. And anybody that is telling you to join ESM recruitment in anywhere, know quite well that it's working with the zoo, and your life is involved.
The funny part is that if you join them also, okay, if anything happens to you, they will deny you. Imagine telling youth to come out for protest. They went to protest in Aba. They put on this what's the name of this style of clothes that Mazangano normally wear in the course. That white clothes. They saw some similar thing like that. They were marching in the name of a protest in solidarity with the station of Mazangano. They want to in protest with the station of Mazangano. The people that sent them out to do that, DOS. When Nigerian security agents, army and police, I don't know if army or police did that nonsense, buy them in numbers. Do you know that the DOS, their leadership, they denied that they were not sent. In fact, they are not aware of anything. That they are not aware of anything. That they don't know that protest is going to happen and take place and all that. Who organized the protest? Remember, they have time to sew clothes, to gather, have uniform. They have their dress code. They were marching without anything. Something that might can have warned not to happen again in our land because of the casualties that it will end up with. But they don't care. As long as you are foolish, they will support you to fool yourself. They will allow you to go and fool yourself properly. That is what happened then. The other guy, there's one man they caught that said that he's my Oga, China Sawolo. China Sawolo denied that he don't even know the person. Whereas he can't accept that he knows the person. You see the contradiction. So what I'm saying that is to just, I'm saying it in line with what Commander Holy Ghost said here. If you are joining, be careful of what you're joining, because you may find yourself in a very, very tight corner just to save life. Just to save life.
Having given you this vital information, if you mistakenly hand over your life to the hands of our enemy, you are on your own. Your blood will be required in your hand. That is very, very important for you to know. Take the message to your brother. For those of you who are interested in joining Nigeria Army, Nigeria Forces, and you know fully whether you are a Biafran or you are from any part of Biafra, I give you congratulations, because you are just signing your death warrant. If you come to fight us, you must die. There's no two ways about that. Lastly, this message goes directly to our enemies. Those of you who happen to carry your dead body today, let me shock you. Say, when you were coming, those people you carry as dead body, say them follow use their two legs, carry gun, come to the land of Biafra to kill, right? But today, you carry them as dead body, no life, lifeless. So, you jack them, pack them, put inside vehicle, and drove them. They no get life again, no, but now you carry them. Then come with you as a living being, go with you as a dead being. That is the same fate all of you have. You can never go in front. You can never go back in front. You always, as you come front, you use your back, they go. It's a promise the land of Biafra promise you all. All of you, you will be going down one after the other. And you think you are joking. As you carry them go, the next time another person go carry your own dead body, they go. Another time, the next person go carry the person where carry your dead body go carry go. So the land of Biafra will keep sucking your blood. Then, until you understand that it's not the way you think. This is the land of our ancestors. The land whom Chuko Kikabiama gave to our great-grandfather, that gave to our grandfather, that gave to our father, that hand over to us. Believe you me, we must hand over this land to our children and our children's children unborn without your presence. And when we say we need Biafra, we make it clear, loud and clear, that we did nothing but Biafra. So to you, I'm telling you that it is either Biafra or Biafra. No man, no woman, no mortal body can stop it. Not even immortal can stop it. If you like, you believe. If you don't like, you leave. But I am telling you that this war, after the end of this war, Biafra will be shouted, and Biafra will be heard all over the world. You can't stop us. We are unstoppable. Unstoppable we are. You can't stop us. The more you come, the more you will die. I've told you that. Time with that number. It doesn't really matter how many you come. If you like, come in 1,000, you will fall in 1,000. Come in million, you will fall in million. Let me give you a spoon. You see red ant, this soldier hand, when they are full, when they come as many as they are, you just cook hot water, pour them, all of them will die at the spot. That's the same way you will die. It doesn't really matter how many you come. But the ground of Biafra is always ready and is big enough to swallow all of you. Yes, I repeat. No matter how many you come with, this land of Biafra will swallow all of you. For he that come with weapon must die with weapon. That thing where you cook, you must test them. So that as you put poison to kill us, now you go first die. So the message I have for you is, as you don't carry your dead body, they go. Remember that those people you carry as dead body, they go. They were alive while you were coming. But now, you carry them as dead body, they go. so that tomorrow you will be your turn. Another person will also carry your dead body, they go. So also another person will carry the person that carry your dead body, they go, until you realize that this land of the Biafra, the children of Biafra go nowhere. This is the land of our ancestors. And Biafra, I say Biafra must come and must remain. You can't cancel that. You can't kill us. If you like, you believe. If you don't like, come and try your own power. At the end, you know that power pass power. Juju pass juju. You don't know that? Juju pass juju. Power pass power. You come with your native doctor, where are they? You come with your power, where is your power? As long as we are the indigene of this land, this child, the son of the soil, can never be killed. You understand that? You understand that? I don't expect you to know. But ha ha ha, ho ho ho, ho ho ho. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. So therefore, as you carry your member dead body, they go. Tomorrow, your member will carry your dead body, they go. Because you can't survive in this land of the spirit. You must join the spirit. That is my message for you as our enemy. Mark it. I say, in this land of the spirit, if you don't know, you have come to the land of the ghost. You have come to the land of the ghost. And I'm telling you now that in this land of the ghost, you can never go back alive. You must remain in the land of the ghost. Now you understand. That is what I mean. Oh, ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. If you know, you know. I do not have time to waste because we do not have time to capping. No time for that. If you don't understand, ask your next person, what did this man mean? But you will die because you come with death, and death you will go with. You know, so shall it be in a cave, in Ori, in Afo, and on the water and the land. Now and forevermore.
Okay. That is Commander Holy Ghost, BMO of USB of United States of Biafra. A wonderful and beautiful day, my dearest, lovely son and brother Mazukai reports, and all truthful Biafrans. God bless you all. God bless you, sir. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. So that is a message from the from Commander Holy Ghost and Ndawara Malogo. Yesterday, PM shared a very, very, very important message. Okay, and please hold on. Let me see. Okay, so he shared a message yesterday about current Nigerian president. Okay, and that message is all about the coup plotter and all that's going on in Nigeria because the president is not from North, is a Yoruba man. As usual, doctors will do everything to make sure that somehow they will get involved. You know, they will put their own person in power. What I mean by their own person, their own so-called Northerner to continue. Since few months, I think 3 months ago, if I'm not mistaken, or more than 2, PM have been, hammering on that poison Q, not poison Q. They want to plot Q. Want to plot Q against Tinubu, against his government, against some people. They were everywhere were silent. At a point, they have no choice than to start writing on that. Okay, so everything that PM said then, they don't. Some people understand. People know. People that don't know. People who don't know are still, confused about it. Fine. Yesterday, he made it clear that Tinubu had been poisoned. Okay, that he had been poisoned and he's nowhere to be found. And he said, that he challenged anybody. That was what he said yesterday, not today. He challenged anybody to come out and, provide the president. So he couldn't. Nobody. Everywhere was silent. Few minutes or hours later, then guess what? Nigeria are now looking for their president. Listen, just listen.
On social media are asking the question, where is President Bola Ahmed Tinubu? Well, the president was last seen attending the World Economic Forum in Saudi Arabia on Sunday, April 28th, the two-day forum, which aimed at helping public and private sector leaders address shared global challenges, ended on Monday, April 29th. The presidency, however, has not released any statement on why the president...
That is, if you calculate, today is Tuesday, so he was last seen on Monday 29. So today Tuesday marks 1 week that nobody have set eyes on him. Nobody know where he is, and some function that he's supposed to attend, people are now representing him there. So, but different between this regime and the one of Buhari is this. Even if anything happened to him, I'm not praying that he should buy. I'm not praying that he should do that. That's not what I'm here for. What I'm trying to say, so people will not say, "Oh, you Igbos, you are wishing him to death and all that." No. This comment I'm making has nothing to do with life. I'm not mocking him. I'm not laughing. I'm just reacting to the news that that PM, what he said about poisoning him and all that. They have not come out to explain where the president is. But the problem is that if anything happened to him, what happened, the way they managed to Buhari's own will not be the same. They may not. Yoruba people cannot go. They will not start to clone this man while their brother Shetima is the vice. No, not else will not. Yoruba allowed that to happen. When what is the name of this man? What is vice president of Buhari? What is the name of that Oduduwa man? I have forgotten his Osibanjo. Osibanjo was vice president of Buhari, but he couldn't do anything. Yoruba people did not even do anything, knowing fully well that Buhari is not more there. Now, if anything happened to Tinubu, do you think that mutual understanding that the people gave Buhari and their group, do you think they will give it to do? I don't think so. Not unless we know, because there's a reason why they're posing him. So if they achieve that, why do you think that they would now stoop too low to allow Oduduwa people to clone their brother? No, they will not. They will not allow that. That's one thing for sure. Now let's listen to the news platform that are now confirming that they are looking for him.
The president has not returned to Nigeria. This has led to speculations in some quarters that the president may have proceeded to Paris, France, where he has traveled to several times, reportedly for his medicals. Well, in the meantime, Nigeria's Vice President Kashim Shettima departed Abuja for the United States on Sunday to represent President Bola Ahmed Tinubu at the 2024 U.S.-Africa Business Summit. Well, according to the Vice President's media aide, Shettima will join other political and business leaders from Africa, the United States, and beyond for high-level dialogues, networking sessions, and plenaries. The summit will take place at the K. Bailey Hutchison Convention Center in Dallas, Texas. Okay, Dr. Abati, also, I heard you this morning asking, where is the president? But you're not the only one asking. Everyone is asking, where is the president? Let me take this tweet from Ngozi, who wrote, the president is not in the country. The vice president too has departed from the country. Which kind juju be this? Who is running the country? No responsible country in the world will have number one and two out of the country at the same time. Nigerians are in for a long ride. Well, there is no official statement at this moment about the president's whereabouts, but there are reports from sources in the State House saying that he is probably on a private visit to France. Rufai, go ahead.
I mean, it's a very apt question.
Yeah.
And we shouldn't be rolling, because everybody blamed Buhari when they would go on his trips and all of that. So where's President Tinubu? He went to Saudi Arabia. Isn't it enough that they give us fake, false announcement as regards a Maersk deal?
But there's something I want to ask. Why is it so easy for the southern part of Nigeria, Yoruba and Oduduwa, to always, react direct to something? But if it were to be Northerners, all of them will keep quiet, supporting, even if their brother is, on their clothes, on his or her clothes, or whatever the person may be, whether man or woman, messing everywhere up, they will keep quiet. But every now and then you see Igbo people checkmating their own brother. Yorubas are not doing it somehow. Not all the time, but at least they're trying. By questioning where the Tinubu is a new thing, to be honest. To me, it's new. Where he is does not really matter. I thought in Sim and Reno Mokri, the Tinubu's media warriors, I thought they said that everything is that city boy, that Tinubu that is in his 19 years old is a city boy. Nsema, first daughter of children, I think Nsema should be a kind of age of a grandson of Tinubu, to be honest. But every now and then he will see him, oh, city boy. The city boy have said that he studies economics, that he now bringing the country back. He's now doing everything. Things are now working fine. After he will rub Vaseline on his lips, start talking nonsense. Where is the Tinubu now? The information that PM gave is actually what happened. But maybe, just as I told us that I don't think that they will be able to clone him. Even if they manage to clone him, it will leak. Unlike the one of Buhari that only Mazen Namorkan and Biafra were able to dictate and then maintain that at the end. So because for him to be out for 1 week, Buhari, it took Buhari's government 3 months to clone Buhari. So maybe now 1 week is gone. Maybe it will take this one. Maybe they will do it faster because Northerners and their own is always a backward. Maybe they will not. They don't know how to speed up. Europe may do it faster now to clone this one and bring him back. But whatever they want to do is up to them. I'm not against whatever they want to clone. I'm just saying that what I'm trying to say is that no matter how you patch it, that's my stand. No matter how you patch this thing, it can work. And some of the comment that the journalist just read now that said the person that posted is a Igbo lady called Ngozi. Many Igbo people are still believe in Nigeria. That is why when they said referendum, I don't know why they're panicking, because we still have people that believe even in Islam. Believe in Islam because they want to do business with the Muslims. So they can type the sheet on their head and do Allah Akbar with the towel, squat and do anything they want to do. Just make sure that they buy cow cheap. You understand? That's Igbo man for you. So we know when they can convert to be Islam just for business purpose. But in actual sense, it's not possible. Let's continue listening to them.
From Saudi Arabia, that they have all debunked and cleaned off their social media now. And now the vice president too is out, so 2 of them are out at the same time. So who did they leave the home front for? The villa is empty. And that's why we need...
They are just talking as if when they were there, what happened? Even if Shetima 3, Tinubu 4, he put them in the villa, it will change anything. If you don't know that nothing is happening, when you hear them talking like this, you think, somebody should be there, prioritize the affairs of the country. But we need to do. He said, it doesn't mean anything. It is even better. It is even their own honor that they are not around. Nothing. They are not on seat. So anything that will want to happen, let it happen. If they are to be in their villa, what would that change? Is it going to boost the economy? The answer is no. Or security? What is are they going to stop the hardship? Never. Instead, they will create more. Like each of the trip that this man is making and cost Nigerian a lot. But this is something they should have just averted by putting young person. If Nigeria is to something is meant to work, but when they when they are dragging power and pushing everything, it's for our own good. So we can see more reasons to maintain our stand that the best way is to everyone to attend. Oh, Israel.
Need to be able to ask this question. President Tinubu was not around for his first May Day. He keeps talking about the rights of workers. Who would have thought that his first May Day should be as symbolic as May 29? So he's probably going to come on May 29 and say, fellow Nigerians, right? But where was he on May Day? And President Shetima has to go represent the president now. So why are we doing this to ourselves? So we should ask the question. Until today, I'm sure the presidency will not react. Maybe he will stay for about a week or two, or maybe he'll come back this week. Whoever knows.
One thing I just noticed. What I want to say is totally different from what happened. But you see how he waved his hand. This is something they copy. If nobody, they may not have anybody there to wave back. Once you become president, you need to know. First and foremost, you need to learn how to wave hand, and as if you are your people's choice. People love you so much they can't spend a moment without your presence. All these politicians, you guys are criminal. Waving hand.
Well, because they always do the 21-day clause, right. And that's why they can get away with this. They get away with. Yeah. So what did Adesua say?
Adesua said that he may be back tomorrow. So let's hope that he'll be back tomorrow.
Welcome back. But he wouldn't tell us when he went in 6 days, right?
That tweet really, I don't know, we can address this later. That tweet about the vice president and the president leaving the home front at the same time, I think it is quite the story. Nigerians on social media.
So that is it. So this is just to confirm. This has confirmed that Tinubu is somehow in a difficult moment. He talks about May 29, May Day or whatever they call that. I think it's 29 or 30. What is the day they normally do the May stuff? Somebody that is in a sick bed or that is no more alive, what do you think? He should focus more on your May than his health. Able president. He's supposed to know now. Now enjoy his presidency. Let me go through the comment section. I think I have okay. Diana said, Commander Holy Ghost, God Almighty will continue to strengthen you and protect you always. It's a happy message. We move Biafra first. Thank you. Chineye MC, greeting to you, Kai, and everyone. Thank you, my sister. Greeting to you. How are you? Okay, there's something I want to share with us before we end this broadcast. What Biafrans are not taking it lightly with with Uchechi, Mazda Modukanu's wife. And I want everybody, in case you are from DOS and you are a DOS person, you are watching this video, when you see people making comment about Uchechi, all right, Mazda wife, don't take it as if those people are being sent by PM or Biafran government in exile. Yes, we know that you can use anything to do propaganda. We know that you can use anything to lie, to anything at all that will look bad when PM is being mentioned. We know that you don't joke with that kind of thing. You rush to lay hand on that against PM and Biafrans. But deep down your mind, just put this one in your mind as well, that whatever anybody is saying about her and her activities, her attitude, the way she's dining and whining with the people that are kind of people that have questionable characters. Nobody send anybody, and every Biafran have rights to react, to to say what they feel, which some of you are doing the same thing. Because not all, you always say not everybody don't like the way you are going with that kind of insult and PM. No, not everybody don't like it, but you have rights to say whatever you want to say. That is freedom of speech. So learn how to manage this one also. That if people are reacting on her activities, her actions, her behavior towards her husband and her husband family, and on Biafran in general, understand that everybody have right also to react. But don't attack PM or attach whatever anybody says to PM. Because I'm seeing some comments on some of you, my people, they send them. PM have never for once attacked that lady. Never. The only time PM mentioned her name was when he gave her advice. Don't go to Radio Biafra. That was at the beginning, after the kidnapping of her husband. First move she made, when they were saying, oh, coming to Radio Biafra, coming to. PM said, don't go. PM don't know that she's even one of the main problem, and she disobeyed that. And what did she do? She went there. Not only that she honored that call. In fact, not even call. She's the one that called herself, because now we know that she's one piloting. We're thinking that people were trying to deceive her, but to me, my own observation and my own belief now is that she's one even deceiving the people. You understand? Because it's not as if she don't do anything and they're trying to lure her to problem. No, she actually hold the foundation. She one of part of the pillar that caused the problem in IPOB today. Because if not, she get herself involved in many things that she shouldn't have even tried to step in. But what do we know? What I'm trying to say, don't hold anything against PM. Whatever Biafrans are saying, PM did not send anybody. So get that into your brain. Let's listen to this.
By calling people imbecile. Who are you to call us imbecile? If you think that you are so beautiful, that you are not beautiful. Your ugly is more than monkey. I'm talking to Kenny wife. You won't do me anything. It's somebody who will speak out. Speak evil you have in your mind. Speak the evil, the spirit of Jezebel. As I'm talking, the spirit of Jezebel in you should leave you immediately and run away. Because the evil spirit of Jezebel will never lead you to anywhere rather than destruction. The evil spirit of Jezebel will use you, destroy Biafra, or make you, after we declare Biafra, we started fighting each other again. That's what your word is saying. Going. What is IPOB when they remove your husband? If Simon didn't expose it, the way they remove your husband and put you among everything that happened to your husband, your hand is there. You are involved, one way or another. So don't make us to think that you don't know what is happening, or your hand is not there and you are not involved. The way you didn't call people name, those people you are using kind of proverb or paragraph, paragraph, talking to you are talking nonsense. You are talking to Biafrans, because if you mention them, we know where you are going. My friend, respect yourself. You are a woman, and not only a woman. Biafra is more than 100 million. So Biafra is a country. It is not Abia property. It is not Afar property. It is not Umaya property. It's not state property. It's for the whole country. And Prime Minister is in charge of the whole country.
So that message is very, very short and straight. This our papa, this our brother, have every right to pour his anger. Sometimes it is difficult for most of us to accept the truth. when truth is being said or mentioned, some people will start, running helter skelter, trying to claim what they're not. I am not saying that you should not also pick offense. Is your choice. But my concern here, do not attack PM for whatever anybody said about Malangano's wife. Why? Because PM is innocent of every comment that the Biafrans are making. He cannot be in his house and be in people's house. PM don't control anybody's social media handle. PM don't control anybody's platform. So if you hear that I insult anybody, if you want to reply to me, leave PM. If you want to reply anybody, like maybe you don't like what people Biafrans are saying or what they're thinking about Masnokano's wife, PM cannot control our conscience. He can't control our emotion. Do you understand? So, and like I said, I have not seen any negative post about Masnokano's wife from PM. I have not seen that. If you have seen it, please bring it up. But I have not seen that. So, guys, thank you so much. We are going to end it now to come back, later. Have a wonderful evening and see you again. Greetings to you all. Those of you that managed to comment, and some of you that are click on the like button. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, afternoon, evening, depending on time zone. See you again and enjoy yourself. Bye bye.